The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video: Multiplication of a 3-digit multiplier with a 3-digit multiplicand. Let us see how we can multiply 564 with 385. We have used 64 multiplied by 3, 64 multiplied by 38, etc. in the earlier examples. Now in the multiplier we have 3 digits, that is 564, and we have to convert the multiplier into the expanded form. So 564 can be written as 5 multiplied by 100. So the 5 has a value of 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10, that is 6 has a value of 10, and 4 multiplied by 1. This is how we write 564. Now in this expanded form template, we have the braille markings. We have the place value for 1, 10, 100, 1000 horizontally and vertically also. So let us place the number 5 in the hundreds column. Place the number 5 in the hundreds column. Now you can check it horizontally and vertically. The 5 is in the 100th column. Now let us take 6 and place it in the tens column. Now let us take 4 and place it in the unit column. Now 385 of the multiplicand should be broken into 3, 8 and 5 for the purpose of multiplication. Now let us take 5 in the reference column, which is in the right column of the expanded form. Now to the right of the number 5, which is in the 100th column, there are 2 empty boxes. That means you have to start with a 0. And then you multiply 5 with 5. So that is 25. So what we have got here, 2500. We started with the 0, 0 in the right side, and put the 25 to the left of the 0, 0, that means 2500. The meaning is 5 is multiplied with 500. Then we are through with that and bring the 5 to the tens column. So that means 5 should be multiplied by 60, so that is 300. Then you bring to the next unit column, that is 4. 4 and 5 should be multiplied, so that is 20. So what is the value of it? That is, first is 0, 0 and 2, and next is 8 and 2. So we get 2820 as the multiplied value of 5 with 564. Let us keep this number separately. Right. Now let us go to the next number. So what is the next number in the multiplicand? That is 8. So what we have to do? Put 8 in the reference column. Now 8 should be multiplied with the 500. As there are 2 empty boxes to the right of 5, we have to start with the 2 zeros. Now 8 and 5, when you multiply, you get 4000. Now that is over. Then you bring 8 to the tens column, that is 8 multiplied by 60, so that is 480. Now bring 8 to the unit column, that is 4 multiplied by 8, that is 32. So what is the total value? Now 0, 0, 2, that is 2. 0, 8, 3, that is 11, that is 1. And you take 1 to the next 100th column, So 1 plus 4, that is 5. And then in the 1000 column you have 4, so that is 4. So the value is 4512. Now you have to place this with the already multiplied value. Now as 8 is one column to the left of 5, then the multiplied value should skip one column in the right. Now we have to go for 3. So let us put 3 in the reference column. Now 3 should be multiplied with 5. As there are 2 empty boxes to the right of 5, we have to start with 2 zeros. Then 5 and 3, that is 15. Now that multiplication is over. So how easy it is when you use the expanded form. Then 3 in the tens column, that is 60 by 3, that is 180. And then you bring 3 to the unit column, that is 12. So the value is 0, 0 and 2 should be added, that is 2. 8, 0 and 1 should be added, that is 9. And 5 and 1 should be added, that is 6. And then the 1 is added in the 1000th column, that is 1692. As 3 is one column to the left of the number 8, and the multiplied value of 8 with 564 is 4512. So you have to place the multiplied value of 3 with 564 by skipping one column in the right of the multiplied value of 8 with 564. Now let the child explore. So 2820, then one column on the right is skipped, so that means that is 0. So the value of the multiplication of 8 with 564 is nothing but 45,120. Now the multiplication of 3 with 564 means it is 300 multiplied by 564. So that is why you have 2 columns on the right which are empty, which are nothing but 0, 0. So that means the multiplication of 300 with 564 is 169,200. Now we have to add the first unit column value is 0, 0, 0, that is 0. Now the next tens column value is 2, 2, 0, that is 4. And the hundreds column value is 8, 1, 9, 2, that is 11. So you put 1 there and 1 is taken to the 1000th column. So add it with 9, that is 10, 5, 15, 2, 17. So you have to put 7 there. And then there is 1 left. The 1 should be added to the next column. So this is 10 plus 1, that is 1. So that becomes 1. Then that 1 should be added to the 100,000 column, which is making it 2. So the total value is 217,140.